Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix control center issue on iPhone and iPad after the update of iOS 17. Control setting not showing, not working or not adding items, then do the following step. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on control center and make sure that access with apps is enabled. If this option is already enabled, then disable this option and tap on minus and remove the item of control center. After remove all of them, we have to force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, go back to settings. Here we have to tap on control center and enable access with app and add the control center item that you like. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to other solutions. The next one is launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, the next solution is we have to go back to settings and general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.